So here's a front office area, and then got an assembly area with all of our parts, benches, a shrink wrapper. Here's the machine shop. So here's our big mill, making dovetail bars. And here's our little mill. We're doing some work for another one of our customers. Just getting this set up. Bandsaw. We've got a vacuum thermoforming machine, so we can thermoform ABS parts. May be useful. We've got a welding area, graining. We can do bead blasting. We've got some kilns for melting glass. There's our lathe. Want to switch it for me? Yeah, I'll do it. So that's the machine shop. We'll go in the other room here. So this is my design computer. Starting here. So yeah, we design everything in SolidWorks 3D software. So this is a dovetail bar. It is a 3D solid model. And then we have a program called CamWorks. It's a plugin that lets us develop all the tool pathing for the machining. And we do this same thing with all of the Lumicon products. So we develop it all in the computer. All the machining and programming is done in the computer. We can simulate everything, so to see how it's going to machine. So that's just that first operation. We can see all the machining errors, if there's any, in the programming before we even cut metal. We can do quite complex things in SolidWorks. We can make multiple parts and turn them into an assembly. This is actually for a 3D printer. We can slice it in half, see how it's all built. There's all the components. So let's see. I think I have a Lumicon part in here already. There's Lumicon's file. LC5040. So I've already taken the Lumicon drawings and modeled it in the 3D modeling, and then we can turn that into machining code from here. So that's how that works. So over here we've got our laser engraver. So we can do laser engraving of the aluminum. We have a rotary attachment, so we can do round things as well. We can also cut plastic. You probably have seen the Farpoint Batonov mass. So you can see the drawing there. We cut them all in this machine. So then in here, this is the optical shop side. Got a little sink area for washing things up and handling the mirrors. Here's the vacuum coating area. We've got quite a nice chamber. Let's open the door here. So it's got an electron beam gun down here, so it'll do nice coatings as well. Could do up to about 22-inch mirrors. Might be able to squeeze a 24-inch mirror in here as well. It's all computer controlled with custom software that I wrote. You just click on the buttons and it's pretty much automated with two button clicks and the mirror is coated. One to pump the chamber down, and once it's all pumped down, you hit one to do the coatings. So that's automatic. This is the back side of the coating chamber, power supply, and the chamber itself, and the big vacuum pump. We've got a test room with automated testers. So we've got test stands down there to put the mirrors on for testing, and then these are computer-driven knife edge testers. The computer's off right now, so you can't see the software display, but it takes the readings automatically and then analyzes them and tells us what to do to come out into the shop and correct the mirrors. So here's the machine area. I'm painting the floor right now, so I'm pushing everything around. It's all kind of in disarray, but we've got some Strasbourg machines, two smaller ones, a medium-sized one. This will do up to 24-inch mirrors. Those over here will do up to 18-inch mirrors. This one here will do up to about 36-inch mirrors. And then this is a custom machine that's will do up to 1 meter. Like I said, everything's kind of messy right now because I'm been cleaning up and repainting the floors. And then back here we've got our air compressor system that I'm building a new one as well. But that's the optical shop area. And then I'll show you the upstairs area. I'll go up there in a minute. So up in the mezzanine, we've got a little photo studio for taking the product shots. We could help Lumicon out with that if they need that. And then over here we have a work table and a sewing area that we make all the flexible dew shield products. Here's a stack of dew shields. So cutting and working, and then we've got a commercial sewing machine that we do all the sewing with. So that's the mezzanine area.